President Biden, spoke yesterday at the United Nations Climate Conference. We're heading through day 4 right now. President Biden has left and he's heading back to the States while other world leaders are focusing on finances today. Let's bring in our Fox Weather Steve Bender, who's been there for the entirety of the conference so far. Steve, I know finance is a big ticket item for today. What is the goal?
So the goal for me, Britta, is to take Jason's advice. I'm north of Jacksonville, so I need to get that bubble jacket on. It is cold here in Edinburgh. But for the global stage, the goal is really to be able to have the financial backing for what we've seen taking place the past 2 days. The past 2 days have been the World Leaders Summit. So the leaders have come together and say, hey, these are the initiatives. These are our goals moving forward to kind of meet with the Paris Agreement. And now today is all about finding that financial backing. And so far, developed countries have already pledged $100 billion a year for climate adaptation in developing countries. And then the private sector is actually adding another $130 trillion to hold global warming below 1.5 degrees Celsius. So President Biden, he spoke last night about the importance of COP26 and how the decisions we make now will protect those around the world and also here at home.
All of a sudden, people are seeing these things happening they never thought would happen. They're seeing people drown in their basements in Queens, New York because of flooding and rain. They're seeing that, more territory burned down in the United States just since the first of the year than it makes up the entire landmass of the state of New Jersey.
Now, President Biden unveiled a first-of-its-kind plan to protect our global forests and actually restore over 400 million acres by 2030. Our global forests actually absorb roughly 30% of the carbon dioxide released from burning fossil fuels each year. And according to Damian Fleming, protecting these carbon sinks is crucial to reduce emissions.
It's really, really critical this is tackled, and there's no possible chance of meeting the 1.5 Paris Agreement without solutions on land and tackling deforestation and conversion of natural habitats.
Now, as we had mentioned, the past 2 days was the World Leaders Summit. Today is focused all about finance. And then tomorrow we're focusing on energy and green and clean energy. And then this conference continues all the way until November 12th. President Biden did leave after that press conference last night, and he flew back to Washington, D.C. Reporting live from Edinburgh, we'll send it back to you.